Stancenation 2019. I'm still a silhouette.
Stancenation 2019. Silhouette.
This freaking kid looks like a retired Backstreet Boy or some shit.
You're wearing 1990 Dixie Cup bathing suit with
salmon
flip-flops.
Which is pretty sick, okay? That's pretty sick, and that's pretty sick. And my legs look kind of black, but... Alright guys, so we're at the hotel for Stancenation, and that's really close to my face. Right now we are in a hotel, which is approximately like 17 minutes away from our house. But Stancenation is going to be taking place right there, right in that convention center. It's kind of like a yearly tradition that we always go to.
Dude, no one cares.
So it's kind of like a yearly tradition that we go to this particular Hilton hotel every time there's a Weekfest or Stancenation event, because you know we got to roll in at 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's a lot easier to just wake up and then take the cars there and come back and go to sleep. Because the show doesn't even start till 1 o'clock, and we don't want to sit there for 6 hours waiting for pretty much like nothing. In a couple minutes, we're gonna go head down to Rob. Rob's here and take a look at some of the cars that are parked out front, which me unfortunately could not get.
That's awkward.
Neither could this guy, and I don't know why he's opening the.
I thought that was a closet.
I don't know why he's opening the extended room.
I used to work at a hotel, so I know what doors are what.
My name is Joe, and I look like a retired backup dancer for the Backstreet Boys.
That means I know how to dance and I got money.
No, a backup dancer does not have fucking money.
Yeah, they do.
How much do you think a backup dancer makes for the Backstreet Boys?
Couple $100,000 a year? What do you mean? The Backstreet Boys
Anyways,
sold out.
Before I lose any more brain cells and this kid keeps arguing, this kid's ironing his shirt to go downstairs to a lobby. Everyone's wearing like shorts and this kid's like going out like as if we're going.
You're just jealous that you look like dog shit.
I look like a dog shit.
You look like a dog shit, yes.
Like literally the Guinness Book of World Records of incorrect grammatical errors right there.
You look like a
Anyways,
dog
yeah.
shit. That's what I'm coming at.
Next morning.
How you feeling?
Feeling great. How you feeling, bro?
Feel like a fresh ass shit in the toilet. That's how I feel like. I'm on camera right now. Can't even feel my face.
What's going on, guys? Joey for 100 here, back with another notes. It's gonna be Stancenation. We are up, alive, and ready. Last night was a disaster. Pico ate a whole shaker of Parmesan cheese, and
He's not kidding.
we're late.
Checkout time. Alright, man. Later. See ya. Rolling into Stancenation. My camera quality is terrible because I'm using my phone. But let's roll in, man. We were supposed to be at the show to roll in with everyone else from HP and Zip Ties at like 8. But as you can see, we're, as per tradition, pretty much on time. Kid looks like he's already got test anxiety filling out a judge's sheet.
Fucking FCAT all over again.
Feels like he's taking the FCAT all over again.
It ain't no joke.
Hey, the answer is 6. So we're finally in the show. It's been like 30 minutes at least, and yeah, so me and Joey actually got pretty prime parking because we have nobody behind us. We're actually against the wall, which is cool because that gives a lot of room for those people to film. And maybe I'm just saving face because maybe we did get a shitty spot because we're so late.
Nah.
But it's pretty prime, right? The show doesn't even start for like another 2 hours. So I don't even know what we're gonna do. But I did want to show you guys my judging sheet. Some good stuff right here.
Way worse. Freaking hate the E30, man.
Where's Jared at?
Jared's in Pensacola? Or no, he's up at the Panhandle.
Damn, you drove this?
Yeah. What's up, bro?
Who drove the E30?
I did.
You drove both of these?
Yeah.
How?
I drove one and went back home and then got the other one.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
I'm pretty pissed. The one year that I didn't bring my RC car, they have a whole thing set up here. got freaking Call of Duty Blackout set up.
What? What?
My whole life just flashed before my eyes. I almost got hit by a car.
Why spend $30,000 on a car when you can spend $400?
Damn fucking straight. Which is supposed to be a professional Asian video pretty soon. 4-door Supra. People can't find out because you got all these specialty cars, man.
Literally, how many lawyers you got?
What's up, Wes?
How many times you got?
Sir?
How many niggas?
Couple cool cars over here. The infamous Why Though FRS. See, it's good that I film stuff now before they start playing all the music. That way I can not demonetize my channel. Look at that, we're twins.
Oh, really?
It's like you get bored already, even though I just got here and the show didn't even start yet. And, yeah.
So what are you like? I'm winning by not playing drugs, kids.
By not playing drugs.
Video games are drugs.
Literally. This is one of the OGs over here, man. All the 350Z owners are OG.
Was it just size the ass? How well his car was done?
Oh, 5 hours.
His car is so nice. Fantastic.
Oh my god. Are you literally out here?
What's up, Lex? Yeah. Yes. Is that Evan?
Was that yes?
What the fuck are you doing here, bro?
How's it going?
How you doing? We're gonna hold hands the entire time. Wait.
The whole vlog is gonna be my face.
I gotta get all the info because there's no douchebag music playing around. So I can still.
Bro, that's why you push mute and you put your own.
No, I don't want music around. Oh, check out the Civic over here.
Pretty good shape right now.
Oh, check out the Civic over here.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Stancenation Florida show. Just a couple announcements. In about 20 minutes, we're going to have everyone exit the building. Please make sure you have your tickets with you. If you need to purchase extra tickets, you can do so outside where we're going to be sending everyone. And we're going to do a fire marshal walkthrough.
With the way your bank account
After
works.
that, we're going to let everyone right back in. So if you're not done detailing, we'll have time. But just to let you know, we're going to be letting everyone out in about 20 minutes. Vendors, you can have one person in your booth. We're going to be doing a fire marshal walkthrough. After that, we're going to let everyone right back in. So if you're not done detailing your car, you'll still have time before the public gets in. Thank you.
I'm not gonna lie, I am level 5,000 hungry right now. And thirsty. I didn't get too much water last night.
Handful of booty.
Joe may have came to the conclusion that he might be the only Evo 10 in this entire car show.
Yo, real talk, listen, it's not about how many Evos are here, because the last, Week Fest, I won, and there was 8 Evos here, okay? So it's not like, I'm not trying to be like,
he told him he cheated. He told him that he was a cop and he would arrest him because there was actually a pretty sick track Evo here.
Can't really do that, and I never did that because that's illegal. But anyway,
it's not illegal.
So yeah, it is. You can't tell them, hey, I'm an officer of the law. I'm gonna arrest you if you don't give me a fucking ticket.
If I recall correctly, you had a license plate on your thing that said police.
It doesn't say I was gonna arrest you.
Hella camera, dude. Hella stance.
This is their style. Let them do what they want. But
you realize this is stance station. It's not like performance station.
Yeah, I know.
All these cars are built to fucking. Which is cool because mine is too. What? Where?
Gray.
Yeah, that's Ravi's Evo 9.
I'm not really worried about that one.
Oh damn! I just got fucking.
He got blown out of the water once he drove into the fucking place.
Yeah. Yeah. So So Wes's car just might be the fastest car here at stancenation. If anything has to say for this kid, but he doesn't know. Rear wheel drive or die, right?
Squad.
Or OMP seat. This 4-door R32 is perfection. Look on Reagan. Got my buddy here, Ruby Vlogs. Follow his channel. He's starting up, right? He's incognito. I don't know what he looks like, so nobody really knows what he looks like. He likes the anonymous lifestyle, right? Yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
Nobody knows. It's probably just a big question mark behind the glasses and the mask. He's a private eye man. It's good meeting you, brother.
Nice meeting you, Pico.
This
Oh,
STI.
this fucking STI is really nice.
I love this STI.
He won last time.
What kind of front end is that?
Varus.
Oh. Look at this one. That's cool. It's got flying buttress style fenders.
Like this guy's pushed out so much that
Do you like the wheels?
zip tie.
Why?
I don't.
You can record in slow-mo. I want to see that footage. Alright, so they're about to do the judging for the awards. We all gotta be serious.
Joey got nervous. He had to go to throw up.
Who's winning? Who's winning? Who's winning? Best Z today. Is it me? Best RX-7. Guaranteed Justin's gonna win something because he won something from Week Fest. Maddie's gonna win something because she's... Look at me, I'm fifth wheeling right now. This is incredible. Look at that. RX-7 won an award. You're doing it the wrong way.
Oh, sorry.
Totally
I'm dyslexic. I'm dyslexic.
There you go, second Mazda. Who got first? Winning predictions is at least Wob and Joey.
Not me.
Wob. Wob. He's waiting.
He's shaking his head. He's like, I spent $40,000 on my fucking car. I better win. Better win this $3 fucking trophy.
Rob Alvarez.
Yeah!
Alright. Second wager that Rob's gonna win a second award for best Nissan.
I don't think so. I think it's already done.
No.
Nissan's already done.
Oh, they are?
I think so.
At least our team won. That's all that matters.
Literally out here.
That's best.
I want to thank so many people tonight. Thank you for.
Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you, dear Johnny, for making sweet scotch.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how drunk are you right now?
Thank you. H. Logic, baby, right here.
Ah, T.Y. Yes. There's my pornos.
So, hey, they didn't have an Evo class.